We rely on lead batteries in our everyday lives, and CBI members produce some of the most advanced batteries in the world. One of the great attributes of lead batteries is that they can be fully recycled at the end of their life and reused over and over again. In North America and Europe, recycling is rigorously regulated through highly advanced manufacturing and recycling processes. However, in some low and middle income countries, because the materials have a value, some lead batteries are being recycled informally in substandard and often very dangerous conditions, harming both communities and the environment. CBI is delighted to endorse a new initiative called Lead Battery 360. This project has been launched by 4 associations that represent the lead and lead battery industry: ILA, ABR, BCI and EUROBAT. The objective of this initiative is to help eradicate the dangerous recycling processes in low and middle income countries and to champion best practice recycling and manufacturing. As well as developing next generation advanced lead batteries, we support all efforts to ensure the highest standards of battery manufacturing and recycling are adopted worldwide. You can find more about this initiative by visiting www.leadbattery360.org or visit the CBI website batteryinnovation.org.